It's your boy Rob, and we back in the shop today. Actually, we're not in the shop. We are taking the Elko out for a test drive. I know in my last video I wanted to try to get to that, but the car just wasn't ready. The car wasn't ready to, like, you know, roll out of here and actually be drivable, but now it is actually drivable. We still have some things that we got to sort out. I've been kind of driving the car, testing, tuning, all that kind of stuff. There's still a few things that we still have to sort out so that I can actually drive the car. So that's what we're gonna be doing today, man. If this is your first time stopping through, or if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you get a notification every single time we drop another video. I greatly appreciate it. Also, scan the QR code, get your merch, you know what I'm saying? And I definitely appreciate all the love and the support, man. I'm gonna throw y'all's comments up on the screen. There's too many of y'all to like just pick one comment, so I'm gonna just throw random comments up. I said I was gonna do that last video, but I forgot. So anyways, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and, you know, get the car out, get the car ready and all that kind of stuff. We're gonna take it for a spin. And since it's just me, I don't think I'm gonna be able to get like flybys and all that kind of stuff. I'm not really prepared, I guess, for that anyway, just because of the simple fact that, you know, I want to see like what the car is gonna do first. I haven't really been able to like really drive it like I want to, because like I said, there's a few things that need to still be sorted out, and I'm not really up for like breaking anything. Like, I know things might break, things might happen, but I'm not really up for like nothing catastrophic, because that would like be very like demoralizing. But anyways, man, we're gonna go ahead and take the car out, and I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Let's go ahead and get on the road. All right, y'all, there it is, out in the wild, finally. First inaugural drive. I say it's going pretty smooth, you know what I mean? I'm nervous to hit it, you know what I mean? Because this is like the first shakedown pass. But man, here she is out in the wild, man. Looking so like dope, you know what I mean? I was letting it burn off a lot of that transmission fluid, and it doesn't look like it's leaking anymore or anything's going down. Seems pretty responsive. I still got to do some stuff with the brakes, but you know, I don't know, you know what I'm saying? Thing has plenty of power. Seems like it's getting up and moving a little bit better. I don't know, man, what y'all think though? We out here, man. I'll probably get go back and get like my tripod or whatever, so I can get some flybys, some more footage of the car, like other than just walking around it or whatnot. But there she is out in the wild, y'all. What y'all think, man? What y'all think? Man, we still got a lot of work to do, man. We still got a lot of work to do, but you know, this is where she's at right now, and so she should be able to drive wherever I want her to go, and that's the goal, man. I mean, everything else is small. I can take care of it real quick, and then this thing will be out for the summer. But man, you can't even see the face on that wheel, man. I mean, it's not the biggest lip, but it's a nice size lip in the back. I think it's like 5 inches, but man, we just need to admire the beauty right now. This is crazy. Reason why you test and tune is because things like this happen. So we were out driving and getting some footage, just testing it out, and pulled it into the garage, and the coolant hose, it had to be the coolant hose, busted everywhere. So because there's coolant everywhere, so it had to be something that happened spontaneously, not like a quick little leak. But good thing we at home, we in the garage, we in the prime spot to get it taken care of. And that's just what it is, man. I mean, these things happen. Like I said, this is why we test and we tune. And we take care of it. So yeah, you know what? Yeah, I figured it was because all this coolant is everywhere, you know?
It's just completely off.
And I heard it too. I thought I hit them tires right there when I pulled in. I heard, but yeah. So we'll just get that, you know what I'm saying, squared away. You know what happened? Probably didn't tighten it down. Silly. I just probably put it in the radiator. Yeah, but we in here. That's what happens. It's just a coolant hose, so we already identified the problem. But for the most part, you know, we've been driving it for probably about like 20 minutes maybe. And no issues, man. No issues. So we'll get that taken care of. I'll probably get the water hose and spray this out. And then, yeah. Yeah, man, when you're putting these cars together, you tend to miss things and forget things because there's so many moving parts. There's so many things that you got to do. I mean, sometimes it's best to work on one thing, get that thing done and move on to the next thing. But sometimes that's not possible because sometimes you got to go to the store, get more parts. It's easier just to knock something else out and keep it moving. And you don't want your project like stalled out or nothing like that. And I guess, you know, I just forgot to make sure that hose clamp was tight and busted the hose right up off of there. So we'll get that taken care of tomorrow. Also, Dash was filming me. Dang, I gotta clean all that off up there too, man. Shh, whatever. Dash was filming me, got some nice little roller shots. And so he said that this wheel looked a little wobbly. This is the only wheel that doesn't have the wheel studs on it. So tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and take care of that issue so we won't have any issues there. And then she's good, man. Like I said, I was driving her for about 20 minutes. I've been pretty much trying to drive her off and on all day. I drove her about 20 minutes earlier, about 20 minutes, you know, just now. And no issues, man, no issues. The only thing is when braking, it does rub up front. I could raise the car a little bit more, but I don't know if I really even want to do that, man. Either I got three options. I could raise the car a little bit, which I don't really want to do. I can go ahead and cut the inner fender inside here, just the what is it called, the plastic piece. I can cut that, or this side doesn't seem like it's rubbing, just that side. Or I can get thinner tires. So I mean, there's plenty of options, man. We're gonna keep it funky, we're gonna keep it moving. We'll figure it out eventually, I guess. But for now, she's good, man. She definitely needs some gears in her though, because this car got plenty of power in it, and I'm not even tapping. I don't even feel like I'm tapping a half of it, because you know, she gets up and she moves and she scoops, but the gears, that, you know, it seems like, you know, the motor's trying to pull the car, but the car is not trying to scoop because of the gears. So we'll have to figure that out, man. I'm gonna get some more shots of it so y'all can see in this video. So stay tuned, man. We're gonna try to get some drone shots, and we are gonna try to get some flybys and some other stuff. So y'all go ahead and stay tuned, man. If it's not in this video, it'll definitely be in the next one. So stay tuned, man. Subscribe to the channel, and let's keep it rocking, man, because there's so much more that needs to be done on this car. As you can see, we got to get those areas fixed and taken care of, and then we moving on to this and whatever, man. So let's keep on rocking. right, grind schoolers, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. I wanted to give y'all a little bit more driving footage, but the coolant hose, after the coolant hose popped off, I had to refill like the radiator and all that kind of stuff, and I guess I didn't refill it like enough, because the temperature is going really high. I got out here and I was trying to drive it a little further than just, you know, in my vicinity, and the temperature got all the way up to 260 by the time I got home. So I had to turn around because I saw the temperature creeping up. And what's cool about this odometer dash is it beeps at you when the temperature gets too high. I think it's 220. Once it hits 220, it'll start beeping at you like the temperature is going too high. So I don't know if I have another problem or there's just not enough radiator fluid in the radiator. I went ahead and I grabbed, so like when I travel in this car, I bring everything with me, you know what I mean? I got wrenches, you know, I got screwdrivers just in case something happens, fire extinguisher, coolant, tranny fluid, all that kind of good stuff. I carry that stuff with me, and it's like messy right now because, you know, obviously it's under construction, but when I travel, I carry all that stuff with me just in case I need to make a quick roadside repair or something like that and get on the road, you know what I mean? I don't have to call nobody or nothing like that, because this thing is it's temperamental in certain areas, and I'm trying to like nip all those things in the bud, but until then, that's how we have to rock. So anyways, I had some coolant with me, and I put it in the radiator, and the temperature still was just climbing. So I decided to bring it back home and park it, and so that's where it is now. I'm waiting for the car to cool down, but you know, we probably are done working on this thing today. So that's why, like I said, I wanted to give y'all more driving footage, but it didn't happen. But anyways, man, I appreciate all the love and support and anything like that, especially regarding this build. It's not done, it's far from done, but we are to a point where, you know, we can get on the road and still, you know, cruise and have fun. So once everything is situated and like this car is drivable, like I put the seat belts in, both the seats down, and adjust the ride height a little bit more because it's rubbing real bad. I hit a bump and the car like stopped a little bit, you know what I mean? So the wheel is the wheel is binding in the wheel well, and that's not good. So we got to adjust that and get everything all good before I'm comfortable like really driving it. But anyways, man, if y'all haven't done so already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that bell notification so you get a notification every single time we drop another video. And always remember, work hard so you can live free.